Sick and tired of the Content module DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. Before we begin our Content module troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Content module. Manages the dynamic loading and unloading of game content, levels, models, textures from compressed archives. It coordinates the data link between the engine and the asset directory. If missing, the game will launch to a black screen or fail to load into a new area, often reporting asset manifest could not be read. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Content is a restricted library bundled with the Localized application content manager engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Content module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Content module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Content module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Content module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.